Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add your Fazaa card to Apple Wallet in 2026 so that you can access your memberships quickly from your iPhone. So first of all, you need to open your Apple Wallet application on your iPhone. This is the app where you can store the cards like boarding passes, loyalty cards, and membership cards for quick access. So after opening the wallet application, simply tap on this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. After tapping this plus icon, your phone will ask you to add a new card. So here among the given options, you just have to simply look for the option of debit or credit card. So after selecting this particular option, you will be redirected on this page where you just have to do nothing but to just click on this continue option here in the bottom. Now it will show you this type of section where you can either align your card in this particular frame and it is going to automatically take the information of your physical Fazaa card. If you don't have a physical Fazaa card available, you can also enter the card details manually. So you can select this particular option which is given over here in the bottom. Now after selecting the manual option, simply provide your name on the card and the card number. Then click on the next option on the top right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, it is going to basically review the card information and then it is going to be added in your Apple Wallet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.